Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DURATECH brand 2-pack of cutting pliers. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these open, looks like it's still taped shut. Find a little manual about them, and then of course two nicely sized. And be aware that there is some oil, so my fingers are already a little oily. So you can kind of see that they are oily in there, but they do a good job. I mean, just right there, you can see how cleanly they cut. Nicely spring loaded. Cutting is really nice. So these are pretty great. Again, they don't take up a lot of space. Grip is really nice. Rubberized here, and just solid grip. So if you're looking for some easy to operate cutters, they're there. The only issue I have so far is that they're properly oiled, so that might actually be a factor for you, but to me these things are totally worth buying. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.